laid the sticker. The wall here, about 50 miles per hour. Forgot. Table, nowhere to sit your stuff down. Not very inviting. Probably no one uses it. Clean. This foot. 1.8 meters. Okay. On one side, the wind side. 5 feet, 5 feet, 4 feet. 3 feet. Pretty much like God, I'll fall in. I don't know, it's so windy. Huh. It's windy. Like the White Mountains. This is the northern part of the White Mountains. I'm about 45 miles north of Shobo, or Interstate 40, which runs through other places in New Mexico, and I think it joins 44, Missouri, and then goes north. If we head down to Pittsburgh. Full of debris. Jeez. Not very good. So windy. Blow me over. I can barely stand. Man. Just like that chair there. Facing the sun. Went out. It's so windy. Because my skin's so damn dry. My jacuzzi is nice. Look, dirty it is. Not clean. Obviously, it hasn't rained in a year or 2 or 3. Cold room. Okay, probably done. Huh. Well, too bad. It's the lower people in that are handicapped. Okay. Went out. I don't think I can light it again. It took me 10 minutes to light this. Jeez. Gotta go over here and hide. Yeah, the wind. Tried about 15 times to light it. Couldn't do it. Man, impossible. I got it. Fucking White Mountains. Constant wind. It's about 45 to 50 miles per hour. Howling up here. Jesus. First one time. No ashtray, no trash can, not film. Very stupid. Nothing. Big garbage. Clean up it yourself. Nothing. No table. Where you sit your drink on the ground? Where you set your stuff on a chair? Like I'm doing? Jeez, metal roof with a third of it corroded. It's already started at the top there. You see it? About 35 feet in front of me. That door, you can already open it. Jeez. Carefully. Okay. Strong brain needs lubricate. Debris blowing around. Jeez, what's that? Mallows? Couldn't fly a kite, you have to have a 100-foot tail on it. Oh, look at it. See ya, trash. Jeez. Litter bugs. Went out again. Fuck it. Jesus. Trash everywhere. Shower was so hot. I tried to turn it down. To get some cooler water. There's no pressure. I was like, what? Stupid plumbing needs work. Triple. That's some browns. Tumbleweeds. God, this door. No lifeguard, no shit. Nobody's here. Not very happy. Could be a nice place to take a dip. I'm wearing stuff underneath my brand new sweatpants. Brand new t-shirt, bought this at Dollar General. Washed my hand in the sink at the Bread of Life and just hung it up. They asked me to leave. I'm like, what? You leave in the morning? No, you gotta leave now. As soon as possible. Fuck you. I don't like, what's the 8th commandment? Bearing false witness. What your